Can1 has 4 business segments. The General Packaging division is the biggest revenue contributor, accounting for 90% of the 2023 revenue. The majority of the group's revenue came from its Malaysian operations. Over the past 12 years, revenue grew while profit after tax declined. Revenue and profit after tax spiked in 2019 due to the Can1 acquisition. The profit was also boosted by one-off gain from the acquisition and disposal. The group incurred a loss in 2021 due to impairments. The declining profits led to declining return on invested capital and return on equity. However, cash flow return on invested capital improved over the past 2 years such that the 2023 return was higher than that for 2012. There were mixed signals when it came to productivity or efficiency. Gross profitability and asset turnover declined. But there were improvements in leverage and contribution margins. Compared to its peers, Can1 is much bigger in terms of the 2023 revenue. It also had a reasonable growth rate. Can1 may be bigger, but bigger does not mean better returns or margin. This is illustrated by 2 metrics, return on capital and EBIT margins. You can see that Can1 was not among the better performers. I would consider Can1 as financially sound based on its debt level, cash position, and cash flow conversion ratio. The only concern is the high reinvestment rate, but this is attributable to the Can1 acquisition and is a one-off thing. The NTA of Can1 was $9.62 per share compared to the market price of $3.10 per share. As for its earnings value, I consider 2 scenarios. Scenario 1 is based on the past 12 years historical performance. Scenario 2 is based on the past 2 years performance. There's more than a 30% margin of safety under the NTA and earning values. Given the change in the business profile in 2019, it is more meaningful to look at Can1 performance post-2019. Its performance is nothing to shout about, but it is financially sound. So while there is a margin of safety, I would consider Can1 a cigar-butt investment opportunity. The information presented here is for educational purposes only. For more details, read my blog article. Thank you.